Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we are diving into what could be the most powerful camera of 2025, the Nikon Z9 Mark II. The original Nikon Z9 was a revolutionary step for professional mirrorless cameras, setting a new benchmark in image quality, speed, and versatility. But now, with speculation and leaks surfacing about its successor, the Nikon Z9 Mark II, excitement is building among photographers and videographers alike. Nikon Z9 Mark II, a next-level evolution? Rumors suggest the Z9 Mark II will push the boundaries even further with cutting-edge technology, potentially including global shutter technology, enhanced autofocus, a high-resolution stacked sensor, and next-gen processing power. But do these upgrades make sense in the current competitive market? Or should Nikon focus on refining existing features? Let's break down everything we know about this highly anticipated release. Design and durability, built for the pros. The Nikon Z9 was already built like a tank, and the Mark II is expected to maintain that rugged, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body that professionals rely on. Nikon will likely keep the integrated vertical grip, ensuring comfortable handling for long shoots. Unlike Sony, which offers compact bodies with optional grips, Nikon remains committed to a robust, DSLR-like form factor, a decision that appeals to professionals transitioning from DSLRs to mirrorless systems. A more refined interface and display. Early reports indicate that Nikon may refine the tilting touchscreen, making it more versatile for low-angle and high-angle shooting. Button placement could also be tweaked for better ergonomics, enhancing workflow efficiency for photographers and videographers working in high-pressure environments. These refinements may seem small, but for professionals, they make a world of difference. The global shutter debate. Is it necessary? One of the biggest rumors surrounding the Nikon Z9 Mark II is its potential global shutter sensor. If true, this would eliminate rolling shutter distortion, making it a game-changer for high-speed photography. However, the question remains, does the Z9 Mark II truly need a global shutter? Or are other improvements more important? Possible sensor configurations: 20.4 np. Global shutter sensor. Some leaks suggested 20.4 megapixel global shutter sensor with an ultra-fast readout speed of 0.4 milliseconds. This would be ideal for action and sports photography, but would significantly reduce resolution compared to the 45.7 mp sensor in the Z9.61 mp stacked CMOS sensor. More recent reports hint at Nikon possibly using Sony's high-resolution 61 mp stacked sensor. This would prioritize both speed and detail, catering to landscape, fashion, and studio photographers who require ultra-sharp images. If the global shutter rumor doesn't materialize, Nikon will likely stick to its stacked sensor technology while significantly improving processing speeds to minimize rolling shutter issues. Insane shooting speeds and flash sync improvements. The Nikon Z9 Mark II could achieve continuous burst shooting at up to 120 FPS, all while maintaining full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. Additionally, flash sync speeds may reach an incredible $2,000 SEK, making this camera a powerhouse for studio photographers using artificial lighting. Another exciting possibility is pixel shift technology, which could allow photographers to toggle between speed and resolution, offering ultra-high detail images when needed. Video features. Will it outperform the competition? The Nikon Z9 already set a high bar with 8K 60 FPS internal RAW recording, and the Mark II is expected to go even further. Nikon may introduce 12-bit ProRes RAW HQ, real-time LUT application, and enhanced codec support. If these rumors are accurate, the Z9 Mark II could be the best mirrorless camera for professional filmmakers. Enhanced heat management and longer recording. One major area of concern for videographers is overheating during long recording sessions. Nikon is rumored to be implementing a new heat dissipation system, which could allow for extended 8K and 4K recording durations without issues. Autofocus. Upgrades. AI-powered precision autofocus technology is expected to get a major upgrade in the Nikon Z9 Mark II. With next-gen AI tracking algorithms, The camera will likely maintain focus even when subjects leave and re-enter the frame. This will be a huge advantage for wildlife, sports, and event photographers. Introducing the XSpeed 8 processor. Faster and more efficient, Nikon is expected to debut its XSpeed 8 image processor in the Z9 Mark II, offering faster image processing, better buffer management for high-speed shooting, improved low-light performance and noise reduction smoother, 8K video handling. If Nikon decides to include dual XSpeed 8 processors, we could see a dramatic increase in speed, autofocus acquisition, and data transfer rates, making workflow for professionals more efficient. Expected release, date and pricing. Initially, rumors suggested Nikon would launch the Z9 Mark II in time for the 2024 Paris Olympics, but recent reports indicate a 2025 or even 2026 release window. The delay suggests Nikon is taking its time to refine the technology, ensuring it remains competitive against Sony, Canon, and Fujifilm. Pricing strategy. Will it stay affordable for pros? The original Nikon Z9 launched at $5,500, a price that made it more affordable than competing flagship models from Sony and Canon. If Nikon sticks to a similar pricing strategy, the Z9 Mark II will be one of the best value flagship mirrorless cameras available. Will there be a Nikon Z9H? Another interesting rumor is the possible existence of a Nikon Z9H, a specialized high-speed action camera that may feature a global shutter sensor. If Nikon reserves this technology for a separate model, the Z9 Mark II may focus on balancing speed, resolution, and versatility instead. Final thoughts. A game changer or just an evolution? The Nikon Z9 Mark II is shaping up to be a groundbreaking camera, whether it features a global shutter or not. Between insane shooting speeds, improved video capabilities, better autofocus, and enhanced processing power, Nikon is aiming to stay at the top of the professional mirrorless market. As we wait for official announcements, one thing is certain. The Nikon Z9 Mark II will be one of the most anticipated cameras of 2025. Whether you're a sports photographer, filmmaker, or studio pro, this camera could be a game changer for your workflow.